want to say it's none of the be up here one.
I saw the tree video. Okay. Are they with me? Hi guys, you guys can see? All right, Monty. Just these two. Are they with me? Hi guys, you guys can see?
Yes.
Yes. Yep. Can you please?
Yes, of course. I will show you upstairs.
Is there anyone needing to go down? There's an elevator here going down.
Yes, right here.
25th floor, 4 flights up, folks.
Take your time. A lot of stairs. More.
Morning.
Thank you. Woo. I know, those stairs are no joke. Yeah, you're fine.
Less greeting.
Welcome.
Hello,
Times Square.
hello.
Thank you for being here.
After we make her do it.
I'm ready.
Okay, you guys, a couple more minutes. We got a few more people coming up, and then we're going to start. And if they're not here in 3 minutes, we're starting.
Exactly, yeah. Turn right, turn. Right, exactly right, yeah. That's another thing, thank you.
With our partners, Jerry White and Jeff Strauss from One Time Square. Take it away.
Well, thank you, Gary. We are so lucky today to have Joy Mangano from Clean Boss here to install the final crystal triangle on the New Year's Eve ball, bringing the power of Clean Boss to clean that triangle, make it sparkle. This is going to be the brightest crystal ball ever on Times Square New Year's Eve. Joy, will you help us out here?
Absolutely. Well, I just want to say welcome, everybody. This is very exciting. We're going to light up the stall. It's so iconic. It's the largest crystal ball in the world in history, right? And it's here. We're standing here. I always thought it was this big because I only saw it on TV. So very excited to be here for Clean Boss to partner with One Time Square, because not only are we cleaning the crystal ball, but we're cleaning this entire amazing iconic building that they are creating. And Clean Boss is the smarter, stronger, better way to clean than the harsh chemicals. There's not one warning on here, and the entire building will be cleaned with Clean Boss products. So Pitbull, who is my co-founder with me for Clean Boss, we are possessed to change an industry. So it's not only the millions of people that will be walking through this building that will be in a safer, cleaner building, but it's the industry of workers that will be cleaning all day. So we're very proud to do that, and we're very proud to put this last crystal. How many is that? 2,688?
2,688.
So let me clean this with Sherry here. Okay, and we're not only cleaning, we're disinfecting at the same time and making it even more sparkly. There you go. Okay.
Looking beautiful.
That looks great. Yep, you got it. There you go. The final crystal. worldwide, aka Pitbull.
I want to say it's an honor to be up here at One Time Square. Joy, thank you so much for having us. I always say, why dream when you can live it? To be a Miami boy, you know, they say New York's the Big Apple, Miami's the Pineapple, so to be from the 305 to NY and be in such a historical place, it's truly an honor. And as far as Clean Boss, let me tell you the reason that I got involved is real simple. It's a long way from cleaning houses with my mom to be able to be here and just clean the most famous ball in the world.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Lightning strike effects. We had it computer clockwork. We tied in atomic clock in Colorado. That was very exciting. And then that ball lasted until 1999 for the Millennium. And we had the Millennium Ball, which is the first time we brought crystal and LEDs together. Well, not LEDs, that had crystal and halogen lamps as well as incandescent bulbs with different colors. The ball had like a beating heart that year. It was amazing. And then in 2007, we created the first LED ball. And in 2008, that was so successful, we created this ball, the biggest crystal ball in the world. And now that ball is going to get a chance to go and rest in the museum. And I can't wait to see what we have in 2026.
I'm excited too.
Thank you. It's new. And you know, what amazes me too is that we all grow up watching this ball. When I was a kid, I remember watching my grandparents' house with my cousins. I remember high school and college with my friends. I remember watching with my own kids. And it's a part of Americana. And I just love the fact that now people are going to be able to come to Times Square and actually be up here where we are and get a chance to interact with the ball, change a crystal, get their picture taken, and have a real experience not only on New Year's Eve, but every day.
Thank you so much for this amazing opportunity. Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year, everybody! Happy New Year!
And lights up the 2025. That gives you the beginning of the new year.
Okay.
Well, I think